Hi everybody, just currently in my greenhouse. Thought I'd come and show you what's growing at the moment. Got a cucumber plant, which is more of the Lebanese cucumber, which is the smaller variety, not the telegraph. So I'll show you a little bit. You can see the cucumbers there. Also got over here a capsicum plant, pepper plant. Got a few little peppers there and a few flowers there. We've also got a tomato plant here that we're growing. So that's getting up quite tall now. Plenty of flowers on it. What else have we got? Got parsley's doing really well. Got another tomato plant here. Again, growing nice and tall. Another tomato plant over here too. Again, got little tomatoes starting to grow, flowers on it. You look at this whopper. Another tomato plant. You can see if you can see those tomatoes there. It's getting pretty tall. Also got another capsicum plant down here too. A few little capsicums starting to grow. Lettuce. Yeah, so doing really well. What I've done with the greenhouse is I've used the gridded pyramids, which are part of the Electroculture gardening kit that we provide at Truly Holistic, which you get 4 gridded pyramids. And what we've done here is we'll place them in the corners of the greenhouse here, so that's all gridded in there. Also for the rest of the garden that we've got here, I've used a spherical tool, which is kind of like a tensor field generator, but we just use 3 rings instead of 4. We tend to find everything energetically seems to work well in 3s and trinities. So for example, we've got potato, a whole lot of potato plant here, and in the midst of it all we have one of those tools. So we just place that in there, and that's really skyrocketed the growth. Incredible, really. Also got a whole lot of broccoli plants in here. I'll show you a few of the development of that. So you can see the head of the broccolis are really starting to form. Got a whole lot of peas over here too, which are just, you can see all the flowers now, right, which is just then all of a sudden now presenting. All the pods are going to be all happening very soon. Got a bit of broccoli over here that's now going to seed. Essentially, that's been there for quite some time. Got silver beet or chard, and we've got some cabbages which are growing at the other end of the garden too, which are the leaves are really growing full on, so that will start to develop the actual cabbages inside. Got another spherical tool in there. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, the growth that we're seeing using all the tools that are part of the Electroculture gardening kit that is available at Truly Holistic, which comes with that spherical tool as well, which creates a sunshine effect over 360 degrees, and also the gridding pyramids that you can grid a greenhouse, raised garden bed, or any garden that you're kind of facilitating or providing yourself. We also now have, as part of the kit, we make a tap ring. So I'll show you here. So you can see we've got a ring there, tensor ring there. And what that does is when you obviously turn the tap on and the water that's coming through, you know, the piping light, you're just giving increasing the spin rate. And that's what tensor rings do to the water. It tends to increase the spin rate of the water molecules. And so what that means is it's creating more of a vortex. And that vortex, again, is increasing flow. It's the geometry flow. And the vortex generally provides centripetal and centrifugal forces which keep that substance clean and vital and well. Right? So you can use that kind of analogy of water with the way that our body works too, to provide a state that promotes wellness and vitality as well. I'm just going to show you here. This is a fig tree I have at the moment. Obviously We haven't got to the time of year where it starts to produce fruit, but it's all of a sudden got all the foliage and the leaves all coming out. And what we've done for this production, it's going to be interesting to see with our fruit this season, we've also put another spherical tool in the middle there, which is a tensor field generator. We call that, depending on the cubit measure that we use. The cubit measure that we use, which that tool is part of the Electroculture, the gardening kit, is an energetic that allows the highest potential of any substance, whether that's a beverage, whether it's food, whether it's the body, whether it's a plant, to grow, to evolve, to show its highest potential, which so it facilitates more of its consciousness, because everything at its core is energy that has wisdom to it, that is bound and connected to multi-realities, a multi-dimensional aspect. So those tools are facilitating more of its highest potential of anything that you provide it with. So pretty cool tool. Have a great day, everybody, and have a great weekend.